Hey guys, hope you're good. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Gord McKinnon and I've spent the last 1 year trying and failing to make a living doing MMO, make money online offers. And to be honest, if you watch my last video, I'll put that up here. I've completely gone off the whole make money online programs. Like I say, watch that video. I'm not going to go into that here, but I know some of you have been asking what my new strategy is going to be. And if you are looking at making money online, this strategy is a legitimate, real way to do it. It's going to take a lot longer than you might have in your mind, because in today's mindset, people just think you can pay £200 for a program and you're going to be making $500 a week. Not going to happen, guys. You should know this. It's too good to be true. Making money online is going to take time. And this strategy that I'm going to be doing and going to be showing you how to do is a good, solid strategy, but it will take a good few months, possibly even years, before I'm making an income and you're making an income. Again, it just depends on how much work you're going to put into it. So what is the strategy? All right, you've heard it before. I'm not giving you anything brand new here. I'm just telling you a good, solid way to do this. And the strategy is blogging and making YouTube videos. That's it. It's that simple, guys. That simple. You see, why am I doing this? Why am I not going to promote make money online programs? Because nobody cares about me and my small channel, and nobody believes that I can make money with make money online when I can't show them big numbers coming in. B, I want to create a community with you guys so that you trust me and I'm not trying to sell you stuff. If I'm constantly just trying to sell you stuff, you're just going to click away. You're not going to be interested in anything that I've got to say. So the strategy is to forget about trying to sell you stuff and just build a community. And like I say, that's going to be through blogging and YouTube. So when it comes to blogging, I already have a website, and I made this website about 6 months ago and just kind of left it there. And I got zero traffic to it, absolutely zero. I did no SEO, I did nothing. I just did it as something to do to create a website, and it sat there. So what I'm doing now is I'm upping that website. I'm doing the SEO. I'm going to start putting good articles on there. And of course, I'm going to start putting advertising on there. I'm going to apply to Google AdSense for ads, and I'm going to be putting other revenue streams on there, down the sidebars, banner ads, that kind of thing. The big thing is driving traffic to it. Now, this is the kicker. The traffic is the difficult part. And you probably, if you're anything like me, you've looked at the idea of a blog, but don't like the idea of this because of SEO. And I'm the same. I'm rubbish at SEO and I have no idea how to rank a website. This strategy that I'm going to be showing you is gold, absolute gold. And it's using something you have heard of, but probably ignored just like I did. And it's Pinterest. Pinterest, come on, I've seen Pinterest. I ignored Pinterest for ages. That's what I did. Got no idea how to use it. But I caught on to something else, and it's called Tailwind. Now, Tailwind is this scheduling strategy. It's got some very clever features in it. And these features allow you to share your content amongst other bloggers and YouTubers who are also trying to promote. And you'll see much bigger growth. We'll get onto that in detail in a few minutes. I just want to also say that the other content I'm going to be producing is YouTube. YouTube, I've said it in the past, but YouTube is the biggest platform for content. It's the best way to connect to people. It's proven to be one of the best strategies for building your brand. So that's it, guys. My YouTube channel, I'm going to start trying to put out better content for you guys instead of just putting out 2 or 3 videos a week. If you look back at my channel, there's a lot of rubbish on there. Hands up, I admit that. But going forward, I am going to be doing much more content which you guys are going to like. And it is not going to be how to make money online. And it is not going to be try this program. Go to the description, click the link, make me some money. It is not going to be that. It's just going to be genuine stuff on how to do Pinterest with Tailwind, blogging ideas, YouTube ideas, how to film YouTube videos when you're on a budget or as a beginner, and understanding the YouTube algorithm. All good content, value for you guys without costing you a penny. Anyway, let's dive in. I'm going to show you my website that I've built. I'm going to quickly show you Tailwind, and I'm also going to show you the stats from my first week at doing this. So I'm going to do a little detailed look at the strategy now. We're going to have a look at my website. We're going to look at Tailwind. We're going to look at my YouTube channel and a few other bits and pieces. And like I say, at the end, we'll have a quick look at the stats. As you can see here, we're starting on my YouTube channel. My branding here, I've got nice pictures of myself. I've just called my site Gord McKinnon, as that's what I'm trying to brand. I'm trying to brand me. And you can see currently I've got 357 subscribers, and that is climbing. That's views and subscribers. You can see that's climbing as well. So that's all good. So this is a major part of this strategy, is to have the YouTube channel and just create content like this and like a lot of good helpful stuff for you guys. So bear that in mind. If you're going to follow this strategy, I do suggest you have a YouTube channel. If you don't want to have a YouTube channel, you can still do this, and you will be doing it just driving traffic to your website and making money from that. You won't make as much money. It's as simple as that. You won't make as much money in the long run because YouTube is a really good ad revenue, but you will still make money. And hey, if you're really good at your website, you can still make a good living from it. So this is the website that I've created, and as you can see, the header, the image ties in with the image on my YouTube channel. So as you look at this website, you can see I've got my home page, a little bit about me, direct link to my YouTube channel, and this is just a training program that I actually promote. These are just the articles. The latest ones come up on this big block and the older ones come down here. I've got around about 18 articles on here so far. I'm going to be updating these and putting new, better quality articles on as I go. So what I urge you to do is do the same thing, is to start creating 10 articles. It doesn't even matter if you haven't set up your website yet. Just do them on a Word document and just start writing your articles now. Don't waste any time with that. And as you can see, the way we'll make money from this is through advertising. In the advertising blocks, these here all go back to my affiliate links. And also, you can't see it on here because I'm already registered, but I have something called Propeller ads. So when somebody comes on here, we get a little pop-up advert, and that is going to be a way of making money too. I'm also going to put AdSense ads on here, but I applied for it a few weeks ago, and during this current COVID-19 crisis, they are not accepting anybody at the moment, so you have to wait for that. They're just understaffed and haven't got time to check everybody's websites. So AdSense will be a major part of this as well. So that's basically it for the website, and what you need to do is set up a WordPress.org website, not a WordPress.com. If you go .org, it means that you have full control of your website. It does mean that you're going to have to register a URL, which is your www. But you can do that all on most hosting companies. I recommend this one here, Bluehost. I'll leave a link below. They're one of the cheapest and one of the most renowned ones. They can give you a step-by-step guide to setting up your WordPress site. Once you've got your WordPress site up, you would upload your blog posts into it. And again, don't worry too much straight away about the aesthetics of the site. Just get it up and going, and then later on you can do a little bit of research on what kind of theme you would like to and how you'd like your site to work. It is going to take a little bit of time if you've never done something like this before. It's not too difficult. It's definitely beginner friendly. And like I said, there's so much information online, you will be able to find out how to do it. Once you have your website up and running, you can start putting your ads to it. And like I say, you could just go and find whatever affiliates in your niche and add them down to the side like I've done here. Of course, I'm in the Make Money Online and training, so I've got relevant ad blocks. And Again, you would apply to Google AdSense to get your ads, or you could try this one that I'm using, and it's called Propeller ads. I'm going to show you that shortly in the statistics of how I've been doing in my first week of doing this. So that's it for the website. The second thing is, how are we actually going to drive traffic to this website? Well, like I said earlier, we're going to be using Pinterest. So this is my Pinterest site. You need to go onto Pinterest and you would register for a business account. And once you've done that, you can start creating boards. You're going to need about 15 to 20 boards on topics specifically to you. So for me, you can see online business strategy, YouTube tips, online business, SEO tips, best of Gord McKinnon. This is all my actual pins that lead back to my website here. So this is how we're driving the traffic. I'm going to do much more in detailed workarounds for Pinterest because it is quite involved on how to do this, but that'll all be in future videos. But for now, if you're jumping on this at the same time as me, you need to get a Pinterest business account and just start pinning and creating boards for now. So how is this going to drive traffic? Just having a Pinterest account is not going to drive the traffic to your website. What you are going to need to do is get a Tailwind account, and this is Tailwind here. And if you go to the link in my description and click on that, you'll get a month's free trial, and I'll also get a free month if you do that too. This is the most important part of the cog. Without Tailwind, you are not going to succeed at this, or not quickly. And the reason is, with Tailwind, it's a scheduler. I just click down here to publisher. See, I've got 15 scheduled pins and I'm still doing the 3-month trial, and it allows you to do 100 pins. So you can schedule your pins how you want, and you must put other people's pins in here as well. When you upgrade, the cost is something like $9 a month, or $121 for the year. It works out cheaper to do it for the year. I'm going to do the year one purely because you get unlimited pins. $9 a month, when it works out that you get about 400 pins per month, which seems like quite a lot, but you need to be pinning roughly 20 to 40 pins per day. So if you work that out, 40 times 30 equals 1200. So that's 1200 pins a month you need to do 40 pins a day, and you must be doing that to really drive traffic. And quickly touching on some of the other great things about this program is tribes. Now what tribes is, once you're in, you get 5 free tribes to join, and it's basically a way of putting your pin into a tribe, and everybody on there will share that pin as well, so it creates huge amounts of traffic to your website. So I want to quickly show you the stats of my first week doing this. Bearing in mind, I have not sent any traffic to my website, and you'll see this in the stats as well, apart from when I started this strategy last week. As you can see on my Pinterest site, I've created 17 boards and I'm starting to fill them up. Let's just look at this one, learn how to earn online. Now in here, these are all other people's pins. This one's my pin. This one goes to my website. So you're not just filling a board with your own pins. Here again, this one's mine. As you can see, there's a bit of branding going on here, so you can tell it's my pins. They're very basic, but that's fine. So you can see in the week that I started this, I've had 264 unique viewers to my pins, which means that out of them, some of them will have clicked on my pins and gone through to my website. And that reflects in the stats of that. So let me just go to this website. So this is the back end of my website, and I use Monster Insights. It's kind of just taking the best bits from Google Analytics. I still use Google Analytics, but I find this really good because it shows me the stuff that I want to see quickly. So I can see I've had 31 sessions, 52 page views. This is the date range, so you can see I had no traffic to my website until the 12th of April, when I started my Pinterest account and started Tailwind. And bearing in mind, I'm only on the free trial and I'm only pinning 5 pins a day, which means I'm only putting one of my pins to my website. And you can see the traffic is already coming in. This day I had 10 unique viewers. So this is going to build and build, and as soon as I end my free trial on Tailwind and go to the full package, I'm going to be putting 40 pins per day, which could be roughly 3 or 4 pins to my website per day. You want to balance it around about 50%, maybe 40 to 50%. So if you had 10 pins, you'd want 4 of them going to your website. Again, that might sound a bit complicated at the moment. I am going to do a video and go through the whole Tailwind and Pinterest process at a later date. I'm still learning it myself, so I want to get a better grip with it myself before I start showing you guys how to do it. If you go down here, you can see we've got new visitors, returning visitors, and it shows you 5 people from Pinterest, 3 from YouTube, a few from Facebook. I'm going to quickly show you this. This is my Propeller ads that I've got set up on that site. They pay per 1,000 impressions. As you can see, in the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 days, I've only had 84 impressions. So the target is to try and get this to a few thousand impressions a day, and that could be making anywhere from $5 to $15 per day then. And that's just the start, guys. That is just the start. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed that little look into the new strategy and how I'm hoping to do this in the future. The main goal is just building traffic by content, creating content on here, YouTube, and on the website, blogging about all things to do with content creation. And the traffic going to the site is going to click on links and start making your money. That's it, simple. I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I'm not trying to push dodgy programs anymore. This is a new leaf for me. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to me, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss future videos, because I am going to go into much more detail about how we're going to use Pinterest and Tailwind to drive the traffic to the website. Okay guys, see you in the next video.